Hey, have you ever noticed that your bank balance might look the same, yet everything in life suddenly feels different? That strange feeling is the hidden impact of income levels on your daily world. Most people think money is just a bigger or smaller number, but the truth is, each income level is an entirely different world. At the lowest income levels, every single dollar goes straight to survival, food, rent, and basic needs. Life feels like a constant scramble. As income rises a little, you finally breathe. You can cover bills without panic, but you're still trapped in the stability trap. One emergency can wipe you out. When you reach middle income, life looks comfortable on the outside. But many fall into the golden handcuffs, working harder just to maintain the lifestyle. At higher income levels, you gain real choices. You can say no to jobs you hate, travel when you want, and start thinking about legacy instead of just survival. The biggest shift isn't the number in your account. It's your mindset. Money stops controlling you and starts serving you. Relationships change too. At low income, money arguments are constant. At high income, you choose people based on values, not need. Time becomes your most valuable asset. You can buy back hours instead of trading every hour for money. Your health, hobbies, and peace of mind improve dramatically when money stress disappears. The game completely changes. At the highest levels, money gives you the ultimate freedom, the freedom to choose how you spend your days and who you spend them with. But with great income comes great responsibility. You start thinking about impact, giving back, and building something that lasts beyond yourself. The real question isn't how much you earn, it's who you become at each level. Every income bracket rewrites your rules of life. From survival mode to choice mode, the transformation is profound. Money doesn't just change what you can buy, it changes what you can dream. So the next time you see a bigger number in your account, remember, the real change happens inside you, not on the screen. At low income, every decision is about making it to the next paycheck. Stress is constant, and joy feels like a luxury. As income grows, you gain breathing room. You can plan a little further ahead and enjoy small pleasures without guilt. In the middle range, comfort arrives, but so does the pressure to keep up appearances. Lifestyle inflation sneaks in quietly. At high income, time freedom becomes possible. You can work on projects you love instead of just paying bills. The highest levels bring the ultimate choice: to build, to give, to create a legacy that outlasts you. Money changes your environment, your circle, and even your daily routines in ways most people never expect. The real power comes when you realize income is a tool, not the goal. The goal is the life you design with it. From worry about tomorrow to excitement about the future. That's the true transformation. Every level teaches you something new about yourself and the world around you. So whether you're just starting out or already at the top, remember, the number is only the beginning. The real story is who you become. At the lowest level, every purchase is calculated carefully because there's almost no margin for error. A small raise feels like winning the lottery because it gives you a little breathing room for the first time. In the middle, you start enjoying nicer things, but the fear of losing it all keeps you working long hours. At high income, you discover the joy of saying no to things that no longer serve you. The highest level brings peace of mind and the ability to focus on impact instead of income. Your circle of friends and opportunities expands dramatically with each income jump. Health and self-care become priorities instead of luxuries when money stress fades. Travel, experiences, and memories replace material things as the main focus. Generosity becomes natural because you have more than enough to share. The ultimate freedom is choosing how you spend your time and energy every single day. Money at every level teaches you lessons about gratitude, discipline, and abundance. The journey from scarcity to abundance is not just about numbers. It's about becoming a new version of yourself. No matter where you are on the ladder, the next level always brings new lessons and new possibilities. The real wealth is the peace, freedom, and joy that come when money finally grows. works for you. So keep growing, keep learning, and remember, the number is only the beginning of the story. At low income, sleep is often filled with worry about tomorrow's bills. As income rises, you start sleeping better because the immediate threats fade away. In the middle, you worry about maintaining the lifestyle you've built. At high income, you finally sleep with true peace because money is no longer the main problem. Your daily energy shifts from survival to creation and contribution. The way you see opportunities completely transforms at each new level. Gratitude grows when you realize how far you've come and how much is still possible. Every income level has its own lessons, challenges, and hidden gifts. The journey is beautiful because it shapes you into someone stronger, wiser, and freer. So celebrate every step, no matter how small. The number is just the beginning of your story. Let's look at the very first level again. Pure survival mode where every choice is about making it through the week. Then comes the first taste of stability, and the relief is indescribable. The middle levels bring comfort, but also new pressures to keep up. High income unlocks creativity and the ability to pursue passions. The top level is where you truly design life on your own terms. Money at every stage reveals something new about your values and dreams. The transformation is not just financial, it is deeply personal. Every level has its beauty and its lessons if you stay aware. The real success is becoming the person who can handle any level with grace and purpose. So wherever you are today, know that the next chapter is waiting, and it will be even better than you imagine. Let's revisit the survival stage one more time. It's where most journeys begin. The first step up brings hope and a glimpse of what's possible. The middle stages test your discipline and vision. High income rewards, patience, and smart choices. The top is where you get to give back and inspire others on the same path. Money reveals your true character at every level. The journey is worth it because you become someone who can handle abundance with wisdom. Celebrate every milestone, big or small. The number changes, but the real growth happens inside you. From struggle to freedom, that's the beautiful story money can tell. Every income level has its own kind of freedom waiting to be discovered. The key is staying curious and open at every stage. Money is a teacher, and each level brings a new lesson. The highest reward is becoming the person who uses money wisely and kindly. Your story is unique, and every step forward matters. Keep going. The best chapters are still ahead. Money changes the game, but your character writes the ending. From the first small win to the biggest breakthroughs, celebrate it all. The journey from low to high income is one of the most powerful personal transformations you can experience. And the best part? You get to write the next chapter starting today. Let's remember the survival days and appreciate how far you've already come. Every level has its own magic if you stay present and grateful. The real wealth is the person you become along the way. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep believing in the next level. Your story is inspiring, and it's only just beginning. Smile. You are already on the path to something amazing. From the first small step to the highest levels, every moment counts. Thank you for watching this journey with me. Stay curious, and stay open to growth. Every lesson here is a gift for your next chapter. We all become stronger when we understand how money really works in our lives. Even the biggest jumps in income are possible with the right mindset. Your purchasing power and your peace of mind are the true treasures. Balance in life becomes possible when you see the full picture. A more aware world is a more empowered world. Hold your future with confidence and kindness. Everything leads back to one powerful truth. You are in control of your story. You are now prepared for whatever level comes next. The lesson is complete. Carry it with you and keep growing. Protect your peace, protect your power, and remember, the only wealth that truly matters is the life you build with it.